Welcome, guys. So this is day 3 of my 7 days challenge to teach in English. Okay, today's our topic is for loop. Okay, what is loop? Loop is basically to print out a statement or the print or execute the statement in a loop, in a sequence, in a number of times. Okay, so we have to basically print hello. Okay, hello. Okay, this is a program, and we when we run, you can see here hello is print, but we have to print in a twice. Okay, we have to print in a third, fourth, in a numbers of times. So you can see here hello is print, but there is a problem. The program is become a huge, become a memory space. The program is take more storage in a memory. Okay, so we have to basically the solution is loop. The loop for loop is like right for we have to. Okay, we syntax is for, right for. Okay, for and just write I will explain what is I, but just write I. And in, just write in, and I will enter a variable. You can change I and this variable, but I give like marks. Okay, marks, marks. Okay, but what is marks? In this program, the program should know what is marks, so we have to declare marks in a upper row. Okay, marks, marks is equal to, we have to include marks in a row, like in a this call these brackets. Okay, 10, 12, 20, 30. Okay, 30. Okay, this is a marks. Okay, we have to print out, we have to print out, like when when we have to print out. Okay, and we write print I. So what is the work of this program? When for loop is a loop, for loop is a loop, is checks the print until it's print or execute in this is the line until marks will ends. Now just listen carefully. When for loop is execute, then what is doing? I print I. Okay, print I. What is I? What is I? I in a marks. I in a marks means I in a marks means I in a marks. I in a marks means this is the I. But which one? First one, second one, third one. The for loop when execute first, then it's declare first I, then second I, then third I. Means the for loop, whenever for loop execute, the I, the value of I will change also. The first I is equal to 1, then second, then third, then fourth. And this is doing in background, we can't see, but we can see with code. We will discuss about next lectures, but this is a code. Okay, what is doing? For loop is print I. Print I in a marks means in a marks variable. You can change this variable like C, and also change C. You can see, but I will take I, because the I is denoted by iteration. Okay, okay, save it and print it. Sorry, run it. You can see here all marks are print. Okay, all marks are print. So you can see. Okay, now the next step is means we have strings variables. Means in a like this is a integers, numbers. We have to give like some apple, okay, apple. Then second is banana, okay. And the third is what is the third? Mango, okay. Okay, so you can see here the string is denoted by two commas, okay, two commas, okay. Now in these two commas the string are automatically detected in the Python, okay. And we have to change variable. You can also variable as it is, but I am changing the variable because the professional look, okay. This is the the list of uh, this is the fruits, okay. I am denoted by F, okay. So F, but the for loop says what is the marks, then what is the marks, this is the F, then what is the marks. So we have to change also this into the F, okay. So now same logic, apple means I is the first in loop, I print, then second banana print, and then mango print, okay. Save it and run it. You can see here the apple, mango, and banana, okay. Apple, banana, or mango, and mango is print, okay. So now when we uh, when we change means when we replace our basic logic or fundamental logic, like we have to print apple, then we have to print banana, okay, and we have to print mango. So what is the work of the for loop? What is the benefit of the for loop? The for loop is to compress the code, to write in a small function or small sentences to execute same task in a small or compatible code or function, okay. For loop is doing this. And now we will see the next means range function. This is a range function to print out, like when I is changed to apple, to banana, to mango. So what is when is it possible to print I means what is it possible to print 1 2 3 4 5 6? Yes, it is possible. Just write here to I in a range, I in a range. You can type range like I am enter range, okay. I am enter range, okay. The range is 5, the range is 5 means I is means what is the work of the for loop? Print I. What is I? What is I in a range, I in a range means 1 to 5, 1 to 5 print I, means 1 to 5 print I means 1 2 3 5. It is starting from 0, I think. Next second, you can see here, of starting from 0, that is means I'm cut the this, okay. Okay, what is I in a range 5 means the numbers of 5 from the 0, the numbers of, sorry, the 5 numbers from the 0, 5 numbers from the 0, 1 2 3 4 5. You just see 1 2 3 4 5 means 0 is 0, the index of the 0 is 1, and the index of the 1 is 2, and the index of the 2 is 3 4 and 5. Means what is I enter 5 means 5, the print range of 5 means the print there is numbers. So you can see here the print all the numbers from the starting from the 0. Okay, this is the range function. I am not using uh, like for loop. I am not using. Okay, you can see here I am enter the f. What is now doing? What is now doing? I am enter range of f, means f in a range. What is the range doing? The numbers print. Numbers will print out. But what is the f? F also f, uh, we have to declare f is equal to 5. Then it will print out 0 to 4 numbers. But the f is in a string. So what is the output of the code? You can see here, this is a error because the string is this is a string and this is a integer. Okay, now we will see the next in a for loop range we can add, means I'm enter 5. Okay, what is doing here? Print 0 to 5, print 0 to, sorry, 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4. But I have I want to print starting from 2 or starting from 4 or starting from 1. So what I can do? So enter you want to starting from, like I want to starting from 1. Okay, and just enter the comma. You can see here the MDN says the syntax, or you this is the also we suggest or uh, give information or syntax like starting, support index, stop, support index, step. You can see here. Okay, so this is a this, what is 5? 5 is a stop index. 5 is a stop index. And what is 1? 1 is a starting index. Okay, you can see here 1 to 4, 1 to 4, you 1 to 4 all prints. But what is why 5 not print? Why 5 not print? In this for loop 5 is because of the 5 not print, it print uh, it prints before the range of the 5, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is the number. You can write stop variable like 6. So the for loop goes 1 2 3 4 5 and stop. It's not print 6. When you enter 8, it goes 1 2 3 4 5 7 and stop stop onto the 7. But it's not print 8 or not goes to the end 8 loop. Okay, so you can see the for loop, sorry, 1 to 4 are print. So when what means, you know, you know uh, what you want to print starting index or stop index. But I want to print also this gap or the difference between numbers, means you can see here the numbers 1, and then 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3, then 3 plus 1 4. But I want to print difference between 2, means 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 means print like 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5, then 5 plus 2 is 7. Like that I want to print these numbers. What I can do? So I want, I do, I can write here increment or decrement number. Like I want to plus 2, means I want to difference between 2. You can see here to save and run it. You can see here 1 and 3 is print. But you also I am talking, I am telling told you the 5 is not print because the before number is print. So 1 and 2, 2 plus sorry 1 and 3, 3 plus 2 what is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, so the range is 5. So cause 5 not print. Okay, I am enter is 6. Okay, now the 5 uh, 5 will print. Okay, 1 3 5, you can see here 1 3 5 are print. You can change the difference between like 4. I am changing the 4. Okay, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 5 plus 4 what is 5 plus 4 9. Okay, but range is what, range is 6, so 9 is not print. Okay, I am entering the range is 60. Okay, and the difference between 6. Okay, you can see here 1 5 9 13. And also you can print like table, like I want to print uh, 2 table. Okay, the table of 2, the starting from 2 is obvious thing. Then the end of the code and sorry end of the loop what is 20, but 20 will not print if you write 20. You want to you have to write 21. Okay, then comma, and what is the range, the table of the 2 is increment by 2. Okay, and save it and run it. You can see here the table of the 2 is print 2 4 6 10 12. And you can change I want to print 15, table of the 15. So here is 51 and difference between 50, and you can see here 50. Okay, 5 10, the table of the 5. Okay, now we want I want to print this line. I want to print this line in in a loop, in a numbers of times. Okay, so what can I do? Okay, so let it go. I want to print. I told you in a intro, in a starting, I want to print hello 5 times or 4 times, multiple times. So what can I do? In a range write 5 and print. You can hello, you can write hello. Okay, now it will print hello for 4 times, not 5 times. Sorry, it will print, it will print 5 times. It will print 5 times. What, it will print 5 times, but it will it was print the numbers is 1 0 to 4. Yes, 0 to 4, but 0 1 2 3 4, this is the 5 number 1 2 3 4 5. What is 1 2 3 4 5? This is the 5 numbers, this is the 5 numbers, and 5 numbers are print. So the hello word is print 5 times. Okay, this is the for loop in a this is the for loop in Python. Okay, and you can also add this, you can also change, or you can add string here, like I'm enter Python. Okay, I'm enter Python. So what is doing, and I want to print I. Okay, I want to print, so I have to print I. Okay, so what is doing, print I. What is I in a Python, I in a Python means I in a Python means it is going to one by one in a index, and in word by word, and print uh, print Python. You can see here I will run, and you can see here Python. Okay, this is a for loop in Python. So if you want to learn about or the basic topic of the Python, so connect with me, and next day we will discuss about next topic, another topic of the Python language. Okay, bye.